Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Northfork at Lexington Ranch. It's the Northfork at Lexington Ranch. And what we're gonna do is, hey, we're gonna check out this one bedroom model. It's super pretty. Before we walk in, this is what the hallways look like. So really clean looking hallways. It's super quiet in here. It's recently built, so this isn't even filled. I mean, it's just a super quiet hallway. So now let's walk in and take a look at it. By the way, we do have a keyless entry, so we walk in super attractive and pretty. I'm just loving this already. Love the way it looks. It's delightful. So this is what it looks like. A really big kitchen. Just strikes me right off how big and how nice it is. Really pretty, looks like very substantial appliances. Frigidaire, fridge, ice maker, beautiful appliances here, dishwasher. And then I'm betting that there's also, behind here is a washer and dryer. So you got all that. It looks like it's all smart controlled, so you can control it with probably with an app, is my guess. And here's what the floors look like, super pretty too. So really nice, really big kitchen. And I love this jutting out area, kind of like an island, and you can put 3 or 4 stools under there easily. You don't need a table at all. You just got that set up. Here's the living room area. The living room area is really pretty too. There's a lot going on here. There is just a lot of space for one. So you could do this kind of setup, or you could do a sectional too. So that's all here. You do have really pretty walls. It's a kind of a light, really light color, cream, off-white. So just looks bright. I love all the LED lights that are up there too. So it's really pretty. Now you do have a balcony too. So balcony or a patio, depending on where you're at. So this has a patio. This is what it looks like here. Whoa, this is really big. This would be perfect for a pet too, or for play toys if you have family. I see some toys over there for a family that's over there. So this is really cool. This is a big patio. Anyway, that's nice to see this. Now we're going to do one more video, part 2. We're going to go into the bedroom and bath. Stay tuned for that one. If you have any questions or you want to set up a tour at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below, and that's where we're going to go right now. Hang on.